Hello guys, welcome in today's lesson. This is your very own teacher, the Unza graduate teacher. In today's lesson, we are looking at a question which came in science paper 2 Gce 2023 G12, which is chemistry is subject. The question that we are going to look at right now it was on section B, question 3. The question was as follows. The experimental setup that follows shows a mixture of sand and iodine crystals in an evaporating dish. There was an evaporating dish, figure 3.1, and the inside there was a mix of sand and iodine crystals. So the question was saying, describe how the mixture of sand and iodine crystals can appropriately be separated. So how can this mix of sand and iodine crystals be separated? You can say that you are going to write the mixture can be separated by heating it so that the iodine changes directly into a gas and leaves the sand behind. So what you need to understand, when you heat the iodine crystals, which are in solid form, they are going to change directly into a gas by the process called sublimation. So that means the sand will remain alone. So what we need to look at now, we are going to look at question B. It was saying, explain why bottled mineral water is not pure water. The same water that people drink in the bottle, which you call mineral water, why is it not considered not to be pure water? You are going to say that the reason is that bottled mineral water is not pure because it contains dissolved minerals and salts in heat. What you need to understand, pure water contains only H2O molecules and no dissolved substances. That's pure water. So we are going to look at the last question. See, it was saying, give one criterion for purity of a substance. So for a substance, so what the question was asking, to state one property or condition that can be used to check whether a substance is pure or not. So one condition or property that you can use, you can say, for you to know that whether a substance is pure or not pure, you say that you have a substance, you are going to write it now. You say that there are some conditions that you need to need to be considered for a substance to be pure. So you are going to write as a pure substance has a fixed melting point. That's one criterion for a purity of a substance. The other one, you can say a pure substance has a fixed boiling point. We have come to the end of our lesson. Don't forget to follow my channel. Why fail chemist when the Unza graduate is here? So just follow my channel for more chemistry lessons. See you in the next video, guys.